Hi guys, it's Frugal Fani. It's winter, it's flu season, and everybody is looking to keep their houses germ-free. So maybe we clean more often than usual, right? Well, here I am suggesting that when you run out of your current cleaner, think about it for a moment. Do you want a cleaner that's frugal, that's plastic-free, and that's non-toxic, but still kills germs? Then I have a great solution for you. It's called Frugal Fani's Disinfecting Solution. It's not available for a limited time only. It's available whenever you want because you're going to make it. Yep, deal with it. There's a little bit of work to do. So when we're cleaning our house, we're generally looking to do two things, maybe three. We're looking to disinfect. We're looking to make it smell good. And we're looking to make it antibacterial, right? The recipe I'm gonna give you today does all of those things. And it doesn't require you to buy a new product that's probably packaged in plastic. First of all, did you know that most of the products that we buy are mostly water? Yeah, so we're gonna start with 1 1/4 cups of plain old tap water. And to that, we're gonna add a really good disinfectant. You have to go to your liquor cabinet and get it. It's packaged in glass, so that makes me happy. We're going to use 1/4 cup of vodka. Why vodka? Because vodka is 40% or more alcohol, and alcohol is a disinfectant. Yeah. Another disinfectant, also packaged in glass, is white vinegar. So we're gonna add 1/4 cup, same as the vodka, 1/4 cup of vinegar to our mixture. And now if all you wanted was a disinfectant, you could totally use this. Put it in a spray bottle and you're good to go. But we also want our cleaner to be antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral. Get rid of all those bad germs. So we're gonna add essential oils. Peppermint, lavender, lemon are all great choices. I'm gonna use peppermint right now. So 15 drops of a good essential oil. All right, now, there are two ways that I like to use this concoction. One, I use it in an old, reused Clorox wipe container. I simply pour it in here, and then we have a bag of old things from our house, mismatched socks with holes in them, towels or washcloths that have become frayed, and you can simply use this and dunk it in your cleaning solution and just go to town. Clean everything. This is a really good disinfectant, and it smells really good too. Keep this under your sink. Keep one in every bathroom if you want. You never have to buy cleaning wipes again. Just reuse old materials and reuse this container. It'll last you, I don't know how long it'll last you, a really, really long time. The other option is to take a spray bottle, rinse it out once the manufacturer's product is gone, rinse it out, and simply fill it with your Frugal Fani disinfecting antibacterial cleaner. You don't have to go out and buy a special new container. You could though. A lot of places like Grove are selling glass spray bottles. You could do that, but that isn't as frugal as making your own, right? All right. I really recommend labeling this. It's non-toxic, but you wouldn't want kids playing with it. So you can label it with a sticker or a marker that says cleaner, okay? So there you go. Frugal, plastic-free, earth-friendly way to keep your home free of germs during the flu season and all year round.